In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find archived items in Trello. If you've ever accidentally archived a card or a list, or you're just trying to clean up your board and then need to bring something back, knowing where to find archived items is really helpful. Trello keeps things you archive safely stored away. They're not deleted, but the option to get to them is a little tucked away. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and what you'll see, step by step. First, open Trello in your browser or app and head straight to the board where you archived the item. This is important because archived items are stored per board. If you don't see your missing card or list later, double check that you're on the right board where it originally lived. Once you're on that board, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon with 3 dots, sometimes labeled as Show Menu or More depending on your view. This 3-dot menu is where Trello keeps a lot of the board level options, and it's also where the archive lives. Go ahead and click on that 3-dot icon to open the board menu. When the menu opens, look for the option called Archived Items. It might be nested under More in some layouts, but it will be clearly labeled as Archived Items. Click on that. This tells Trello that you want to see everything that has been archived on this specific board. You'll now be taken to a dedicated view that shows your archived content. By default, Trello usually shows archived cards first. You'll see a list of all the cards that have been archived on this board, along with their titles and some basic details. From here, you can scroll through to find the card you're looking for, or use the search box to quickly filter by name or keyword if you remember part of the title. If instead you're interested in archived lists, look for a toggle or tab at the top of this archived view labeled Cards and Lists. To switch from viewing archived cards to viewing archived lists, simply click on Lists. As soon as you do that, Trello will show you all the lists that have been archived on this board, making it easy to locate entire groups of cards you might have hidden earlier. And that's all there is to it. By going to your board, opening the 3-dot menu, selecting Archived Items, and then switching between cards and lists, you can quickly review, restore, or simply double-check anything you've archived in Trello.